I'm starting to regret my idea. Well, check this out. It's a volcanic hot spring. Look at all the steam coming off this water. Oh, that's warm. See if we can jam this hole up. There we go, it's filling up with hot water pretty quick. Scalding hot right there. This right here must be the source. Whoo! Yeah, that's boiling. This over here is just warm. You can see all the steam coming off the hillside. There's probably other hot springs popping out higher up there. Now there's a hose over there bringing hot water down the hill. We gotta figure out why it's not working. There we go. Woo, that's hot. All right, so we got cold water there, boiling hot water there, and warm water flowing in here. And you can kind of use the 3 to adjust your temperature. Oh man, I want to jump in this right now, but it's getting dark and I'm getting hungry. And I need to give this some time to clean out the pool and get it nice and warm. Oh, all right, let's get warm. I'm starting to regret my idea. Oh. Okay, half of me is being boiled alive, half of me is freezing to death, and there's just a little bit of sweet spot. Ah, okay. Oh, I think I've got the temperature dialed in pretty good. That hot water pipe is just a touch too hot, so I got a little bit of that warm waterfall coming in, mixing with it. Just perfect. Between the hiking and the canoeing, I'm a little bit sore. This is nice. Oh. Well, I missed lunch and I'm a bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna have a hot spring snack. So good. Oh, this is nice, but I'm starting to get overheated.